So let's welcome Dr. Eric Du.
Hey, 大家好，我是杜军。Hello, my friends in Malaysia. My name is Eric Du. I'm the principal scientist at MV Innovation Science in China, responsible for nutrition science, technology innovation, and product development.
Doctor, our first question is on the minds of everyone watching. How has our lifestyle changes affected the health of our eyes?
The epidemic has great impacts on our lives. Our lifestyle and health awareness have been gradually changed. In post-pandemic era, we spend far more time using digital screens than we did before. However, excessive use of digital screens can cause many eye health problems. Eye health has become a huge need in the world, where digital devices are heavily used. Blue light has a wavelength between 400 nanometers and 48 nanometers, and it is found in the light of digital screens, including laptops, handphones, iPads, and so on. The front of the eye is not able to block blue light effectively, and almost all blue light could reach to the retina. Blue light will stimulate the retina and cause many eye problems. For example, blue light can increase free radical to induce photosensitive cell damage, leading to poor eyesight. It will consume pigment such as lutein in the macular area of retina, and increase the possibility of macular degeneration. The focus of blue light on the retina shifts forward in order to form a clear image on the retina. The eyeball needs to adjust the light and stays intensive for a long time, which leads to visual fatigue, as well as damage to the eye structure. Among those eye problems, dry eye is a critical one. Dry eye is a growing health problem worldwide. The global prevalence of dry eye ranges from 20% to 50%. The constant exposure to electronic devices, sedentary lifestyle such as sleep deprivation, stress, and even poor diet can trigger dry eye. As a result, more and more youngsters have begun suffering from dry eye.
Doctor, can you explain a little bit more about modern herbal nutrition?
Eye health product is a classic example that follows modern herbal nutrition. The ingredients used in this formula include traditional herbal and modern nutrients for eye health. To substantiate the product claim, we have conducted many in vitro and in vivo studies, including a double-blind, placebo-controlled human clinical study in Shanghai. This clinical study enrolled 300 subjects to test the benefits of this product. This product was launched in China last July with a Chinese name Baoming, which means protecting your eyes. Today, I'm so glad to share this product with you.
So, what led to the development of Nutrilite Botanical Beverage berries with lutein?
We have strict decision-making process. We select the ingredients based on multiple factors, including efficacy and safety, consumer needs, regulatory environments, and supply chain capacity. The major ingredients in this formula combine both modern science and herbal wisdom. In modern science, the formula involves the lutein ester and zeaxanthin. These are the key pigments in our macula. Accumulated evidence showed that lutein and zeaxanthin supplements were effectively on improving eye fatigue and significantly reducing the risk of macular degeneration. The gold ratio of lutein and zeaxanthin is 5:1, based on their presence in natural herbals and human plasma. Our formula contains 12 milligrams lutein ester and 1.2 milligrams zeaxanthin. Both are from Marigold extract. 2 milligrams lutein ester is bioequivalent to 1 milligram pure lutein, so the final ratio of free lutein and zeaxanthin is 5:1. Besides, our formula involves blackcurrant extract, which is rich in isocyanates. It could promote the absorption of nutrients in eyes. In traditional herbal wisdom, vision health is highly related to liver function, and it is said that liver is linked to the eyes. If liver lacks the nourishment of blood and yin, it will cause dry eye, blurred vision, and eye fatigue. If there is excess liver fire, it will cause swelling and pain of the eyes. Chrysanthemum and gooseberry are a classic pair in tradition. They have been used to improve eye health for thousands of years. Chrysanthemum and gooseberry could provide additional benefits via nourishing liver, for instance, improving dry eye problems as a complementary approach. Lutein and zeaxanthin have similar molecular structure, containing multiple conjugated double bonds. The special structure enables them to absorb blue light. To better understand the effect and mechanism of candidate ingredients in this formula, we established a cell-damage model for ingredient evaluation. Apart from lutein and zeaxanthin, we found blackcurrant, gooseberry, chrysanthemum extract were also able to reduce the retinal damage induced by light exposure. According to protein expression analysis, our product might work through two mechanisms: a pro-survival mechanism by inhibiting MAPK signaling and an anti-oxidative mechanism by elevating HEAF protein expression. After that, we further validated the effects by an in vivo light-induced rat model. The formula's benefits on retinal function and structure were evaluated by electroretinogram and histological analysis, respectively. For this value, the higher, the better. From the graph on the right, we can find that strong light exposure could induce the decrease in the amplitude of ERG for a wave to B wave. However, our formula was able to restore the ERG B wave and slightly increase the A wave. The restore of the ERG for B wave is about 35%. The result suggests the positive effects of the formula on retinal function. And here is the result of eye histological analysis. The graph on the right shows that the retinal structure could be changed under the strong light exposure. The outer nuclear layer thickness was significantly decreased. Interestingly, our formula significantly reversed the thickness reduction of outer nuclear layer. This result has been published in a peer-reviewed journal, Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity, in 2020.
The skeptics out there will ask, were there any clinical trials done with this brand new product, doctor?
Yes, as I mentioned in the beginning, we performed a double-blind, placebo-controlled human clinical study in Shanghai with 300 subjects to prove the benefit of this product on eye health. In our opinion, clinical trial is a gold standard for efficacy evaluation. Therefore, we established a clinical study protocol in Amway Innovation and Science China. referring to the requirement of GCP. We conducted clinical trials to substantiate the function of herbal nutrition products in consistent with clinical study for drug development. In the clinical trial for testing this product, we measured multiple indexes regarding eye health. We used MPS device to test the macular pigment optical density to evaluate retinal function, shimmer test, and dry eye keratography to evaluate eye dryness, and method of glyph image identification to evaluate visuognosis, optical coherence tomography to evaluate the retinal structure, and questionnaire to evaluate eye fatigue. As a result, the intervention group compared with the placebo showed significant improvement on eye fatigue, visuognosis persistence, eye dryness, and macular pigment optical density after 45 days of supplement. After 90 days of intervention, these improvements are more significant. Eye fatigue and visuognosis persistence improved by 81%, and eye dryness improved by 67%. Macular pigment optical density increased by 14%. These results have been published on the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2020.
The even bigger skeptics will ask, Doctor, where can I get all these journals?
So far, we have published 7 papers for eye health products. Some of them are related to ingredient development. Some are related to formula development, as well as mode of action study. If interested, you can find more information in these papers.
So, how strict is the quality control and traceability of this product?
To answer this question, I would like to share some background with you. Amway Innovation and Science in China has joined the program for TCM modernization, which is part of National Key Research and Development Program of China since 2019. This project aims to establish an evaluation system and set an example for TCM functional food. It is a unique project of TCM functional food under the highest scientific research program. And it is for the first time that the central government put TCM into functional food industry for research. The mission for Amway in this project is to establish the evaluation system for eye health and launch an eye health product. The eye product I'm introducing now is resulted from this project. Our involvement in this type of project demonstrated the recognition of Nutrilite brand by national government and society. Also demonstrated the excellent quality of eye health products. For ingredient quality control, we have established a whole quality control system from soil to extract. Let's take chrysanthemum as an example. We completed the whole genome sequencing of chrysanthemum for the first time in the world. Based on the genetic map, we have screened out an outstanding chrysanthemum variety from hundreds of varieties via breeding studies. This chrysanthemum variety has the best pest resistance and bioactivities. For more than 5 years, we have been constantly exploring the best way to optimize soil environment, organic farming, extraction process, and the quality standard of chrysanthemum. We have identified the best soil environment for chrysanthemum growth. Our organic chrysanthemum farm has been certified by both China and the United States. We have established corporate standard for chrysanthemum extract and identified the phytochemicals components underlying the efficacy. All these studies are aimed to provide high-quality ingredients for future product development. Similar studies were also performed on goji berry. In China, it is very difficult to grow goji berry with organic farming due to serious disease and pest infection. Even if these problems are solved, the cost is going to be very high. Nutrilite has more than 80 years of organic farming history with sounding cultivation system and experience. We have done a great deal of work in sowing, cutting, variety screening, and above all, pest and disease control. We are proud that after nearly 5 years of explorations, the goji berry has been grown on our Cholic farm. They are not only harvested but also in better quality than those grown in other regions. Thanks to our rich organic farming practice and the excellent environment in our Cholic farm, the goji berries grow very healthy and are not stricken by pests and diseases. Nutrilite's traceability philosophy goes beyond the system for documenting the production of each product. In order to keep our promise to our customer, we follow strict program for choosing beneficial botanicals, designing our finished products, and qualifying our supplies from the seed to the extract. We keep in mind the benefits and experiences we want to deliver to our customers, and then use each of these steps to document our work along the way. By the time we are ready to ship, we can guarantee that our high-quality product is pure, safe, and effective. Besides chrysanthemum and goji berry, the marigold flower, which is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, is also traceable.
I know you all want to know this one. This is a big question. This is the most important question, and it is the final question. Doctor, can you tell us please, what are the unique selling points of this product?
In summary, this eye health product perfectly integrates modern science and herbal wisdom. The ingredients involve modern science-based ingredients like lutein ester, zeaxanthin, and blackcurrant, and herbal wisdom-based ingredients chrysanthemum and goji berry. The formula was inspired from traditional TCM philosophy with herbal wisdom and further enhanced by modern science. The ingredients used have strict quality control and all are traceable. The product also has multiple innovative elements, including not only the patented technology used for ingredient development, such as the microencapsulation technology for lutein ester, but also the innovative format, portable liquid stick pack, tear and sip. Besides, the product is very user-friendly, for it has good flavor of mixed berries and herbs, suitable for vegetarian and friendly for kids over 3 years old. Last but the most important is that the product's function of protection from blue light, dry eye fatigue has been confirmed by in vitro, in vivo, and clinical studies. All these studies have been published in peer-reviewed journals. I hope all of you can enjoy and like this product. Thank you.